What started as a routine plate check just after midnight quickly escalated. An odor detected during a traffic stop led to a full vehicle search. And inside the backpacks, deputies found items commonly associated with drug distribution.
The truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Thank you. Good have a seat. You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Would you give your full name to people for?
Yes, it's Amy Comer, and that's COMER,
And Ms. Comer, how are you for?
I'm a forensic scientist with the Jefferson County Regional Crime Lab
I'm sorry.
in Beaumont.
And you're performing testing on the case we're doing today.
No, sir.
I asked you to come so you could identify a couple of exhibits for me.
Yes.
Can you do that?
Yes.
I'm going to show you what has been marked as State Exhibit 3. Can you identify this for me and tell me how you can identify it?
I can only identify the outer packaging based on the lab number and my initials.
Okay, so this would have arrived to the Jefferson County Crime Lab from law enforcement? Excellent.
Overall. I'm sorry. Yeah, you're good. Yes, it would. Sorry, our barcode is correct.
Okay.
This is our barcode, and I can barely make out the lab number, but I knew the. Oh, sorry. So we're back to yes. This is our lab number and our barcode, and these are my initials and.
Okay, and so when this item came to the crime lab, it was not opened. Was it opened and tested by personnel at the Jefferson County Regional Crime Lab?
No, sir.
What was done with it?
It was placed in the vault after it was checked in, and I retrieved it from the vault when I was ready to do a worksheet when we were processing it to send it to NMS.
And sending it to NMS as a way of outsourcing testing of suspected controlled substances and drugs for Jefferson County to avoid a backlog. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. To help us out with our backlog.
And in this instance, you can identify the outer packaging and tell us this came into Jefferson County Crime Lab and was sent to NMS labs. Is that correct?
Yeah.
I'm going to show you what I've marked as State Exhibit 2. Can you do the same thing there? Can you identify that and tell me how you can identify it?
Yes, so this is our barcode, and it has our lab number, manila envelope, and then also our lab number, my initials and date from when I reported it as a no analysis.
And again, no analysis was performed on this exhibit or contents by the Jefferson County Regional Crime Lab. It was sent out to NMS labs. Is that correct?
Yes.
Why do we do that? Why do we send out testing?
Well, in this situation, we have a very large backlog right now due to being shorthanded. So in an effort to try to keep cases moving, we were down to one analyst myself, and we had to look to outsourcing, and we chose NMS. Other times it's for transparency. If there's a situation in the lab that maybe you can't be doing analysis at that time, it would go to NMS or another lab. But in this situation, it's our backlog.
Sometimes the request comes from our office.
It does.
Thank you. I think in this case, I know that.
Yes, sir.
Do you not have information reflect that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, and thank you so much for putting that on the press list.
Thank you, Mr. Nichols. Should come on.
You're welcome to us. Good.
Yeah. Nice. No, sir. I do not see our barcode, and I also do not have initials on it, and it's not a.
Doesn't mention it at all. Just anything in this case, right?
No, sir. No, sir.
You should receive the items back to the lab. You did belong back in.
I did not log them back in, but I have the chain of custody with me, and I know that a lab tech logged it when it came in.
According to the record, you would be the first one, is that right?
That
It's been in the lab since when? When did you make it to the radio?
when did it come
Come
back?
before, how do you get it there? How long has it been in the lab?
It was originally submitted July 7th of 25. And
Kevin, once you got back from you and this.
yes, ma'am. Sorry. It was received back in the lab December 17th.
And who she?
That was our lab tech, Rosalinda Torres. It's been in our vault since it was checked out yesterday afternoon.
That's your total law, right?
Yes, sir. My involvement was pre-internet.
Right.
Anything else, Mr. Nichols?
No, Your Honor, I'd ask the city auditors to be left.
Any objections? Thank you, ma'am.
You're excused. Thank you.
You may call your next witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. Second call is, thank you, Sean. Thank you.
Patrick Sullivan.
Legislative officers, there you go.
Good afternoon, sir. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give in this hearing will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth? Thank you, sir. Have a seat right over here. You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Officer, could you give the full name of the court reporter, please, and spell it out, anything convicted?
Daniel Patrick Sellers.
Officer Sean, how are you employed?
The Jefferson County Sheriff's Office as a patrol deputy.
Can you pull that microphone over?
Deputy.
Perfect.
How long did you work for Jefferson County?
Almost 4 years.
Did you, how long have you been a certified, are you a certified police officer?
Yes.
How long have you been certified?
4 years and 11 months.
Was Jefferson County your first job in law enforcement?
No.
Where did you work?
Lamar University Police Department.
For, I guess, roughly a year?
5 years and 11 months.
How many years? And when did you start in Jefferson County?
August of 2022.
And during that time, what kind of jobs have you performed for Jefferson County Sheriff?
I've been on patrol the entire time, so every aspect of a patrol police officer.
Back in the early morning of July 4th, 2025, were you patrolling in Jefferson County?
Yes, sir.
Do you recall traffic stop shortly after midnight? So, I believe around 12:45 a.m. Friday, July 4th. On the 4th of July.
Yes.
And where were you county patrolling?
I was in the Wood County area, right on south on Highway 69.
And did you encounter a vehicle that you checked the registration on when you patrol?
Yes.
Can't call it, right?
It's a Chevrolet passenger car. Red Chevrolet passenger car.
Was there anything unusual about it or the way it was driving that caused you to run the plate?
I just late at night. I just played car.
Or so you're bored, something while patrolling in your plates?
Something to do on the police.
Is that for any comments for you to run plates as far as you evaluate?
Yes.
And did you receive any information calling that plate because you pulled it?
No advised the registration was expired.
Yeah.
The insurance was out of pocket.
Okay, and is that why you pulled the vehicle?
Yes.
And when you approached, who was inside the car?
The driver was Broderick Phillips. Passenger identified himself as Xavier Kane.
While speaking with the driver, did you maintain that he was current on his registration?
Yes.
And he indicated he recently bought the car and everything was up in there?
Yes.
You checked that out?
Yes.
Was he correct?
Yes, correct.
His registration was valid? Was it?
Yes.
But while you're making that interaction with Mr. Phillips, the driver, did you notice anything out of the ordinary?
I immediately detected odor marijuana emitting from the vehicle.
And based on that, what did you do?
I had both occupants step out for a probable cause search.
Who's the other occupant?
Xavier Kane.
Xavier Kane. Did you ever met him?
Yeah.
Do you recall?
Several years prior on a separate traffic stop.
Did you ever encounter Mr. Phillips before?
Yes.
When was that?
Several years prior on the same traffic stop, right? Okay.
You were involved in a traffic stop several years prior to this where two individuals were here together.
Yes.
Right? Do you recognize Brian Phillips in the courtroom?
Yes.
Reporting out for your case something as well.
Right. Wearing a gray and black striped shirt.
Your Honor, may the record reflect this witness is identified as defendant Brian Phillips.
The record will so reflect.
And the area you were patrolling, is that in Jefferson County?
Yes.
Do you know what city limits you would have been at the time, or just kind of where you trying to get?
We just started in England, and final stop was inside court.
Right. So once you're taking them out of the car, you stated you smelled what you believe to be marijuana. Is that correct?
Yes.
And based on that, you searched it up.
Yes.
Can you tell me what you found when you searched?
Located a blue backpack in the front passenger seat floorboard, and a black backpack in the rear passenger side floorboard.
So the blue backpack in the front passenger seat, that again, I guess under Mr. Xavier Hank's seat.
Yes.
And then there's a black backpack behind that seat,
Yes.
the rear part.
Yes.
Did you search these guys?
Yes.
What did you locate in the black backpack?
Black backpack had two balls of promethazine, labeled fishing bottles, then multiple packages, prepackaged, labeled as marijuana, presumed to be by me, and then a large bag vacuum sealed with a green substance that I believe to be marijuana. Several sandwich baggies, a large quantity of sandwich baggies, and a scale.
Do you recall what you located in the blue backpack?
I believe there was another scale in that one. Another scale, some more baggies, and things like that for cash.
Are you familiar with Xavier King's criminal history?
Yeah.
Do you know if he's currently on probation from the criminal district court?
Yes.
Do you know if he has a warrant for his arrest at this time?
The prosecution focused on ownership of the black backpack. The deputy testified that the defendant claimed it. Inside were scales, labeled baggies, and bottles marked promethazine.
Okay, you don't know. I'm asking you.
Yes.
Indeed, so Xavier King is currently has a warrant.
Yes.
Did you, when first noticed the smell of marijuana in the car, did you ask the driver, Brian Phillips, if they had this stuff?
Yes.
What did you tell her? That this thing, this point where it's affected to elicit the defendant's response. The defendant was interested in the claim. So the judge's response. The defendant provided the defendant used the evidence to interpret the being a violation of this right. He knowingly and voluntarily believes you have to remain silent. That he was not in custody at that point. And I'll play video. There's any questions?
It's overruled. Go ahead.
At what point did you ask Mr. Phillips about having smoked marijuana in the car?
Very early on a stop.
Was this before or after you had him step out of the vehicle?
I believe it was before. So I,
At that point, he was under arrest.
yeah.
That guy was in handcuffs.
Yes.
At that point, if you had found that thing else in the car, was he going to be free?
Yes.
Once you searched the car, you found the items in the black bag. Did you ask the driver, Robert Phillips, and the passenger Xavier Kane, who the backpack from the law?
Yes.
Did Xavier Kane take their responsibility for the black?
No.
But did Robert Phillips?
Yes.
Same judge.
Overruled.
Well, I'm going to show you what I've marked pages 3 and its contents, which are here on the counter. Can you identify this packaging for me?
Yes.
Do you see any marker or anything that you did to this?
Yes. My initials here and the date next to it.
Can you point that out?
Initials.
And your initials are DS and the date is 7/4/25. Is that correct?
Yes.
And do you recognize this is the contents that you placed inside the unit.
Yes.
And they are bottles labeled as promethazine.
Yes.
And you also found baby bottles. Is that correct?
Yes.
And is that you commonly in your duties as a patrol officer? Do you commonly come across promethazine or other liquid drugs kept in baby bottles?
Yes.
Is that a common thing on the street for promethazine and or codeine to be in a baby bottle?
Yes.
And these were found inside the black bag, correct?
Yes.
Right. You know, this can offer them Stacy looking through in his comments.
Any objection to stage 3?
Oh, you are. Jenkins and I'll actually finish that.
Overruled. Stage 3 is admitted.
Show you out Mark Stacy 5. Do you recognize this item?
Yes.
And you identify it and show the court or tell the court.
My initials and the date due.
Okay, and what is contained in State Exhibit 5?
There was scales and sandwich bags, plastic bags.
Were these were Ziploc bags?
Yes.
Were they labeled in any way?
I don't recall.
Okay. But you took this into evidence and you sealed it up and placed it in evidence from Jackson County Health Property Division.
Yes.
And you recognize your initials and the date that you wrote. Is this your new take behind you?
Yes.
Okay. Your Honor, at this time, often evidence State Exhibit 5. Same objection of C, violation of the right to truth, surface.
The defense challenged the search and lack of confirmed lab testing, but the court admitted the evidence over objection. The case now turns on possession, custody, and forensic confirmation.